We're finally at the event. We've managed to go through the first phase of the chefs competing. We are now in the second round, and in between we had a pleasant breather with the children competing. The junior Silverchef this year was amazing. The kids got to win some money, and being able to put something like this together has been rewarding for me. Seeing Ugandans, Rwandans, Congolese, to see people have a good time, enjoy good food, and just network. Musanze, in the center of the Gorilla Highlands region, became the destination for chefs who come from as far as Uganda's capital Kampala or Rwanda's Akagera National Park. We are used to battle-hardened professionals, but in the 5th year of the competition, we also got a submission from a culinary student and gladly accepted it. I am all for uplifting girls, and I have a soft spot for the daring ones. Talking about courageous women, I was thrilled to have Judith Hard headline the judging panel. Pablo of Bardness Resort Lake Bunyonyi led the judges and entertained everyone. Remember Andrea Miller from previous episodes? She's my daughter's teacher and a foodie. Next to her, Sandrine Isheja, a Kiss FM presenter. The 5th seat on the panel is traditionally taken by the current Silverchef, but the 2018 winner Chef Sindegaya has gotten a new job in Guinea. It makes me proud that Gorilla Highlands Silverchef has helped raise his profile. Thankfully, Chef Claude from Burundi has volunteered to step in. This was the second year the judges surprised our competitors with secret ingredients, and chefs react to that in different ways. They were given 1 hour to prepare a 2-course meal for 5 people. I wish I could taste all their creations, but I'm almost always too busy for that. In the evening, chefs Okwera of Fire Volcanoes, Nshimiimana of Bisate, Bizimana of the Marriott, and Gonahasa of Nyamat won quality cooking certificates, while Chef Chomohendo of Mount Gahinga Lodge also got the silver hat. Rwandea gave the winner a return ticket to anywhere in the world, and Maya Holdings took everyone for a Lake Burera trip the next morning. More about that in the next episode of Adventures with Izzy. I know for sure that I couldn't have done this without the incredible support of the Gorilla Highlands team and the committee that has worked day and night to put this together. Thank you so much.